Learning with Zachary and Zayden. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to play Pokemon trading card game live.
This is what it looks like when you first start, so you'll know when you're on it.
Okay, and Zachary is going to tell you guys how to play. This is the best game to play if you want to learn how to play Pokemon trading card game in real life. This game definitely helped Zach, and now he's a beast himself. So Zach is showing you guys, this is Pokemon trading card game live. You have different ways to play.
Yeah.
You can play ranked battle, or you can go over here and play casual battle. Ranked battle allows you to play with other people online, and you rank up.
And you can't use V cards, but on casual you can use V cards, and sometimes they're beating on casual.
Right. So on ranked, you can't use any of the illegal cards. So let's go down here. This is how you can make a few decks. We have a Mega Lucario deck. We have a Mega Gengar deck. Your Ninja deck.
EX deck. And
we have a lot more. Dragapult, Pikachu EX, Charizard EX.
Charizard EX, the Ninja Battle deck EX.
A lot of decks. But I made Zach a special deck.
Yeah.
And it had one of his favorite Pokemon in there. Mega Kangaskhan.
Yeah, he'd be a beast.
That was his Mega Kangaskhan. And it's a nice way for you to learn how to use these cards. So, Zach is going to show you guys how to play. He's going to go to a ranked battle and show you guys. Right now, it's loading up. You do have to have Wi-Fi or online data on your phone. So make sure you guys have that. So kids, if you want to play this, make sure your parents make you an account. So first thing first, they have to flip a coin to see who goes first.
It's not my coin.
It says flipping one coin. Heads. And the opponent is deciding who goes first. And the opponent will go first. A lot of times people like to go first so they can evolve their Pokemon first.
They can't really do that.
So, right now Zachary is looking for a basic Pokemon to put in the basic spot. Who shall he choose? He's choosing Mew. And he's putting that Entei on the bench. Oh, Zach's opponents are using Mega Kangaskhan.
Wait.
And one of those masked dudes.
Yeah, we don't like those masked dudes.
But you got a fire deck, so you can burn them. And then use a lot of those, which looks good. So the opponent is making this move. He has a Mega out, and of course he's gonna use that energy thing to make sure he gets a lot of energy on his Pokemon.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what is that gonna do? He's adding HP to his Mew. And he's adding. Oh, he's loading the Mew up. Fire in your hand. And you're using Crispin. And this is a good way to show you guys how trainer cards work. So that was Crispin. So next go, Zach will be in this battle. And as you guys can see, he's on a phone. Again, if you have a cell phone, or if your parents have a cell phone for you, you will have to use it on a Pokemon trading card game. You even can look at what other cards are. That's what Zach just did. He looked to see what the other cards were. think Zach has a good start. His Mew has 100 plus HP. He's gonna kill that Kangaskhan.
Yeah, what you're gonna see. Great ball. I don't even know what's great ball do.
Great ball in our battle. So if you look at the top 7 cards, you pick a Pokemon from.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can pick 2 if you want. Rock allows you to pick 2 basic Pokemon or 1 stage 2 or stage 3. I mean stage 1 or stage 2 Pokemon. You pick 2 Kangaskhan. Zach can't attack, so he has to wait. Put 2 Kangaskhan on the deck and they can't even do nothing.
If you want to, there's other types of Pokemon.
You need to use your fire people. You see all them grass people he got? You should be making a fire Pokemon and be ready to kill him. You do double damage. You just think about Kangaskhan. Okay. Yeah, you got it. I got that. Finally, he gets the attack. But he better be ready. Or you better get a fire Pokemon ready. The day coming. I would have put it kind of corner.
Come on, bro. Yeah, how much we just did.
What you need to do is monkey dories. You need dark energy and fire energy. Put a dark energy on your monkey dory.
He quit.
He quit. He quit. Well, that was the first battle. And Zach won because he quit.
Let's go. Y'all can see it says victory, and
Sometimes
it shows you the card of the game that you had out when you won.
So that is the easiest way to learn how to play Pokemon. Want to battle again? Till next time.
Till next time. Bye. Oh, I gotta fly up. Lightning, come down from my feet while I'm flying.